What if just hanging from a bar every day could fix your posture, ease your back pain, and even make you taller? Sounds fake, right? It's not. Imagine transforming your body with a simple daily habit that takes less than a minute. Today, we're diving into the surprising science behind bar hangs and how they can change your life. Here's what actually happens to your body when you do daily bar hangs, and why it's way more powerful than it looks. Stick around to learn how this one move can boost your strength, fix your posture, and relieve back pain, all from the comfort of your home or gym. We'll break down the science, the benefits, and the best way to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Ready to see what daily bar hangs can do for you? Let's jump in. Bar hangs involve suspending your body weight from a horizontal bar using just your arms. It's a simple move, but it taps into some powerful biomechanics. This simple move does more than you think. It boosts grip strength, decompresses your spine, and improves shoulder mobility. When you hang, your entire upper body is engaged, and gravity helps stretch your spine and muscles. When you hang, gravity gently stretches your body, creating space between your vertebrae and relaxing tight muscles. This can help counteract the effects of sitting and slouching all day. Bar hangs also activate stabilizer muscles in your shoulders and core, which are often neglected in traditional workouts. Over time, this can lead to better balance and injury prevention. Even if you're not an athlete, the benefits of hanging are real. It's a natural way to decompress your spine and reset your posture after a long day at the desk. One of the first things you'll notice? Your grip gets ridiculously strong. That's because your hands and forearms are working overtime to support your body weight. Grip strength matters for lifting, carrying groceries, opening jars, and even typing at your desk. It's a foundational strength that supports almost every movement you do. Just 30 to 60 seconds a day can create measurable improvements. Studies show consistent hanging builds real-world strength fast. You'll notice everyday tasks becoming easier. A stronger grip also helps prevent injuries and supports all your other lifts. Whether you're into weightlifting, rock climbing, or just want to open that stubborn pickle jar, grip strength is key. Over time, you'll notice your handshake getting firmer and your confidence growing. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Plus, a strong grip is linked to better overall health and longevity. It's one of the best predictors of functional strength as you age. Bar hangs open up your shoulders, relax tight traps, and fix forward posture. If you spend hours at a desk, this is a game changer. Shoulder decompression relieves tension from sitting too long and realigns your spine and shoulders. You'll feel your chest open up and your breathing improve. Over time, you'll stand taller and feel less tension in your neck and upper back. It's like hitting the reset button for your posture. A few minutes a day can undo years of bad posture. It's not magic, but it works. Consistency is key. Many people notice less shoulder pain and better range of motion after just a few weeks. It's a simple fix for a modern problem. If you've struggled with rounded shoulders or tight traps, bar hangs can help you break the cycle and move with confidence. Your spine compresses daily due to gravity. Bar hangs stretch it back out. This gentle stretch can make a huge difference in how your back feels. You might even get a little taller temporarily. More importantly, you'll feel relief from lower back tension. It's a natural way to decompress your spine without expensive equipment. If you sit or lift heavy often, this is a game changer for your spine health. Bar hangs can help prevent chronic pain and improve your quality of life. Think of it as a daily reset for your back and core. Just a few seconds can make a big difference over time. Many people report less stiffness and more flexibility after adding bar hangs to their routine. It's a simple habit with big rewards. If you've struggled with back pain, give bar hangs a try. Always listen to your body and start slow. But before you go full monkey mode, here's what you need to know. Bar hangs are safe for most people, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Don't overdo it. Start with 10-20 seconds if you're new. Let your hands and shoulders adapt gradually. If you have shoulder injuries, check with your doctor before trying bar hangs. Safety first, always. Use a chair or keep your feet on the ground for support as you build strength. There's no rush. Progress at your own pace. If you feel pain or discomfort, stop immediately and reassess your form. Listen to your body and don't push through sharp pain. Here's how to add bar hangs to your routine today. You don't need fancy equipment, just a sturdy bar at home, at the gym, or even a playground. Start with passive hangs, arms relaxed, shoulders away from your ears. Focus on breathing and letting your body stretch naturally. Use a pull-up bar at home or gym, or even a sturdy tree branch. The key is consistency, not perfection. Gradually increase your hang time as you get stronger. Start with 10 seconds, then work up to 30, 45, or even 60 seconds. Combine with shoulder mobility stretches for best results. This helps keep your joints healthy and flexible. Try adding bar hangs at the end of your workout or after a long day at work. You'll be surprised how quickly you feel the benefits. Track your progress with a journal or app. Celebrate small wins and stay consistent for the best results. Just 60 seconds a day and your posture, back, and grip strength can transform. It's a small investment for a big payoff. Recap: stronger grip, pain-free back, improved posture. Bar hangs are simple, effective, and accessible to almost everyone. Your future self will thank you. Try it for 7 days and feel the difference. Share your progress in the comments and inspire others to join you on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science-backed fitness tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.